today I am going to be doing a little bit of a different video. We are going to be testing out a skincare item. I got this off Amazon. I actually ordered it yesterday and it was already here today, which is kind of crazy. But this is what I'm going to be trying out today. This is to remove blackheads off of your nose. Honestly, I don't have like a huge problem with blackheads, but I do have like not the greatest pores on my nose. So we're going to be trying this out today. The brand is Anjou. I do not know how to say that. But in this little container, this costs $6.99 on Amazon. Same seller that is on the box. You know when you go to like Walmart or Target and get those Pore nose strips and they're like $12 for like 6 of them? I don't know, I'm just making that up, but that sounds about right to me. Well, this here, like I said, was $6.99 on Amazon, and you get 32 nose strips in here, plus a dissolving and a minimizing solution. So you're supposed to wash your face with lukewarm water just to open up the pores. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to carry my camera into the bathroom. But then you get this little dissolving serum, which is a decent size, and then it's got this like little thing to make it extremely secure. I just splashed it. But you're going to take some of the solution. I'm not wearing foundation, by the way. I forgot to mention that. I only have my eye makeup on and some concealer. I'm actually going to apply this with cotton rounds rather than my bare skin. So we're just going to get that dissolving solution all on the nose. Okay, I guess I did have some makeup on my nose, so it's a good thing that we got this going on. So the dissolving solution is just supposed to help like loosen up the gunk in your nose and make it a lot easier for the pore strip to do its job. So here's what the pore strips come in. I accidentally ripped it, but it says deep cleansing pore strips. And then it has 2 little Ziploc bags full of strips in it, which, like I said, it comes with 32, which is a lot, especially for $7. So you are supposed to have your nose or your skin be wet or dampened for the strip to stick to it. So I'm just going to like have at it with my spray bottle, get my nose wet so that the strip has something to stick to. I literally just sprayed my entire face, but now we're going to put the strip on. I kind of like to hold it down in place to make sure that it's getting in those areas that it really needs to clean out. Okay, it actually feels like it's stuck pretty good. These strips, when you first like try to place them on, they do feel like really stiff, like they're not going to work properly. If you have a good amount of like moisture on your face, like I clearly do, then it should stick just fine. So the next step is to just sit and let this dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. So I will be right back with you guys as soon as the 10 to 15 minutes is up. Alrighty guys, I'm back and it is dry. Now is the time to see how well this actually works. So it's supposed to get dry, almost like a paper mache type feel. That's how you know it's ready to peel off. If it's not completely dry, you're not going to want to touch it because it's just going to leave all this like black stuff all over your nose and it's not going to rip anything out. So be patient. Like I said, mine is ready, so we're just going to go ahead, peel it off, and see how well it actually worked. I kind of like to hold my skin so it doesn't like rip it up. Ooh, that hurt a little bit. So as you can see, it did leave my nose red and it did leave a little bit of that black left over, but I'm just going to ignore that for now. The next thing I'm going to do before I even think about showing you guys the strip, I'm going to do the third and final step, which is the pore minimizing solution. If I can get the box open. So in case I forgot to show you guys, this is what the inside of the box looks like. You get your solution on one end, first, second, and third step. I'm again going to go in with a cotton round to apply this, and this is the pore minimizing solution, and it also has one of those little extra, I don't know why I always splash it, it has a little extra security on the bottle. So I'm just going to put some of that on my cotton rounds. Don't know how much, but I'm just going to go ahead and rub that all over my nose. Neither of the solutions really seem to have a smell, in case you're one of those people who's sensitive to smell. I don't really smell much of anything. Maybe like the slightest hint of like sort of a witch hazel sort of a smell, which I don't mind. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you guys my nose first. I'm going to zoom in on that. Just a warning in case you don't want to see this. But I'm going to zoom in on my nose and then I will show you guys the strip, because I know that some of you like looking at the strips. Like, I know I do, but I don't want to make it weird on video. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on my nose so you guys can see what all it did. Hopefully we're in focus. You can see that there's like redness and discoloration. Like I said, I don't have foundation on, obviously. I was just like messing around with my skin, but I do have large pores on my nose and I think that it really did clean them out. So I actually think that it really did a decent job of cleaning out my pores. When I look, I don't see any like gunk in them anymore, which is really nice. I'm going to now go ahead and show you guys the pore strip that may or may not have blackheads on it. So if you don't want to see that, go ahead and skip over a few seconds. But if you do, here we go. So here's the strip. It's kind of hard to see. There were a few little like blackheads on the very end or on the tip of my nose. Do I recommend this product? I really do. I think that even if it was only the strips, if it didn't come with either of the solutions, I still would probably think that it was a really good deal and a really good product. But just the fact that it comes with the two solutions plus so many of the pore strips for the price that it was, I think that it's totally worth it. And if you guys struggle with blackheads on the nose, I would totally recommend that you guys check this out. Like I said, the brand is ANJOU, and that is off of Amazon. That's where I got it anyway. And it was $6.99 for this. So go check it out. I totally would recommend that you guys try it. I love doing like stuff like this, just taking care of your face, and I think it's fun to look at the strips afterwards, but that's besides the point. So anyway, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please give it a like if you did, and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye guys.